Let me show you how to quickly embed a Facebook widget like this on your Astra website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Facebook Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but you can check out the free version with less features through the WordPress repository. To get started, visit smashballoon.com and purchase Facebook Feed Pro. Once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Facebook Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Here we are now inside our WordPress dashboard, and you can see that we have the Astra theme enabled. To install Facebook Feed Pro, on the left-hand side, we can hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click on Upload Plugin and upload the zip file from Facebook Feed Pro. After that, click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Facebook Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started with creating our first Facebook feed, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice Facebook Feed. Hover over it and click on All Feeds. And here, beside License Key, go ahead and paste your license key from your Smashballoon account, like this, then click Activate. Now, our license key has been activated and we can begin creating our Facebook feed. On the left-hand side under Facebook Feed, click on All Feeds. To create our first Facebook feed, click on Add New. Over here, and for the first step of creating our feed, you'll have to select a feed type. With Facebook Feed Pro, you have several options to choose from, such as creating a feed of posts from your Facebook timeline, a feed of photos from your Facebook page, a feed of videos from your Facebook page, and several more below. For this demonstration, let's go with the user timeline option that's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And for step number 2, we'll have to add a source for our feed. Click on Add New. Then on this page, click on Connect to Facebook. And if you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access. Then on this screen, you can see all the Facebook businesses, Facebook pages, and Instagram accounts connected to your Facebook account. Under each of these headings, look for the account you want to display inside your feed and make sure it's toggled on. After that, we can exit out of this and click on Continue. Now you should see all the Facebook pages you've connected with Smashballoon. Select the page you want to display inside your feed, then click on Add. Now we can select it as a source, like this, then click Next. For this step, we'll have to select a theme for the design of our Facebook feed. We have options like the default, modern, social wall, outline, and overlap. Each one offers a unique design to help your Facebook feed stand out on your site. For this demonstration, let's go with the modern theme, and once selected, click Next. And now, for the final step of creating our Facebook feed, we have to select a theme for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, simple masonry, widget, and more. For this tutorial, let's go with the simple masonry one, and once selected, we can click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of the brand new Facebook feed that we just created inside the plugin. This feed is displaying the latest post from the Smashballoon Facebook page. Each post displays the account profile picture, account name, when that post was published, the caption for that post, and photos, videos, or links if they're available. At the bottom of the post, you can see the total number of reactions, comments, shares, and a button to share the post or view the post on Facebook itself. Our Facebook feed is now ready to be embedded inside our Astra webpage, but before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside this menu, you can find several options to modify the layout of your Facebook feed. Currently, we have the masonry layout selected. This one displays your Facebook posts in rows and columns. Above that, we have the list layout, which displays your Facebook posts in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout. This one allows you to swipe through the posts inside your feed by clicking on the buttons like this. For this video, let's continue with the masonry layout. And if you scroll down, you can choose the number of posts you want to display on your feed on desktop and mobile. Currently, we're displaying 9 posts, which you can see inside the live preview. But if you want to modify that, just enter the number of posts you want to display. For example, let's go with 6 posts. And right away, you can see the live preview update to display 6 posts instead of 9. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed on desktop, tablet, and mobile. At the moment, we have 3 columns inside our feed. But to modify that, just open it up and select the number of columns you want to display. For example, let's go with 2 columns. Once again, you can see that our feed has updated to only display 2 columns instead of 3. For this demonstration, I'm going to switch it back to 3. And if you're happy with the layout of your Facebook feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to add a header at the top of your feed, on the left-hand side under the Customize tab, click on Header. You can see currently that we have the header disabled. I'm going to go ahead and enable it, and right away you can see that we have a really cool header at the top of our Facebook feed, using the page profile picture, page name, bio, number of total likes, and the cover photo for that Facebook page too. This is with a visual header type. Alternatively, you can go with the text header style, which includes a simple text header at the top that you can customize down below. You can change this to anything you'd like. For example, I'm going to type in our latest posts, like this. So it's totally up to you. But for this video, I'm going to switch it back to the visual header type. And if you make any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. And if you're looking for controls to choose the exact Facebook post you want to display inside your feed, let me show you our moderation features. Let's go to the Settings tab, and we can click on Filters. Here at the top, you can choose to display Facebook posts by page owner and visitors, or just visitors. Below that, you can also choose to display all posts or only specific posts. Next, you can also enter words as filters. so that your Facebook feed only displays or hides posts containing those keywords. Lastly, at the bottom, you can also enter a specific date range, so that your Facebook feed is only displaying posts from that specific date range. With these filtering and moderation options, you can choose the exact posts you want to display inside your feed. And if you added any filters, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Facebook feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside your WordPress webpage. To embed it, click on Embed, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, then click Add. Here we are now on our WordPress webpage with the Astra theme installed, and this is where we can embed our Facebook feed. To embed it, we have two options. First option is to add a shortcode block and paste the shortcode that we copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Facebook feed block like this, and that's this one here. With this option, you'll see a menu like this, and if you open it up, you can see all the Facebook feeds you created with the plugin. This one here is the one we just created, so I'm going to select that, and straight away you can see a live preview of that feed inside your WordPress webpage. How cool is that? We can now save our changes and check it out on the live website. And here we are now inside our live WordPress webpage, and right in the middle we have our brand new Facebook feed featuring the latest post from the Smash Balloon Facebook page. The feed features a header at the top, including the profile picture, cover photo, and more. And the posts inside our feed are arranged in the masonry layout that we selected. And that's all you have to do to create and customize a Facebook feed for your Astra site. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you experience any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching.